Comic-Con has treated me amazingly well. This is my 4th year here, and you know, I hope I come back forever. It's fantastic. Yeah, I've got the new books, some new swag, some shirts and hats and stuff. I also started packaging some of my original artwork. They're kind of bits and pieces that make up the books. They're not entire original art pages, which I also have under the table. But I wanted to package some lower price stuff so that people could pick up some original artwork too.
That's great.
I wrote my thesis on autobiography and comics and talking about some of my work and comics in general. Just finished up at the end of 2007 and republished my master's thesis for the convention here. From California to Michigan, I think I'm hitting 10 states total.
And you're driving?
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hopefully with much less of the product than you brought.
Yeah, right. Hopefully the car will be a little lighter when I get to Michigan.
Save on gas.